I'd had a very unfortunate experience with a contractor who was not responsible or reliable. So I had to replace him after he had done some work that clearly wasn't up to code. I had a friend who had hired him to do a job for her in Claremont, and she gave me his name and number. He was available. He gave me a very realistic estimate, and he was able to start within a month. Was to see if an older 1950s vintage bathroom that had a corner shower separate from a tub and a single sink could be converted into something that was consistent with the period of the house but substantially updated. That we could put in a double sink where there'd been a single sink and have a much larger shower that you could walk into, luxury bathtub that instead of using the traditional jets, uses oxygenated bubbles. And working together with Joey, I had some ideas of what I wanted, and Joey had some different and in many cases better ideas, and together we put together a bathroom that I'm very, very happy with. I thought it was great, but the collaboration involved everyone on Joey's team, because a lot of the tile work required some real experience and some serious thought. I thought that it was very collaborative, and everybody was a can-do kind of person, not a oh no. Well, I like the glass tile wall very much. I really like the niches and the glass block in the shower, and I love the effect of the it's actually tile, but it looks like it is limestone walls around the bathtub. They're very soothing because of the movement in the tile, and it's exactly the kind of effect that I was looking for. You know, actually the whole time, I know that you're a young company. I'm older. I've lived around the country. I've fortunately or unfortunately remodeled houses or bathrooms everywhere I've lived. So I've had some experience of the different approaches that contractors used. And frankly, I thought you guys came across as some of the most professional that I've experienced. And you're certainly one of the newer companies, yet I think you've got a very good work model. And I want to congratulate you for that, because it makes a big difference. There's always unexpected, and that's just part of what happens. But I thought you guys handled those very predictable things extremely well. And for me, that's the mark of a very good project.